Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can link or unlink MLB The Show 26 to PS5. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just come up to your browser and search for MLB The Show login, and you're gonna see this page, the show account. Click on this, and just right here you need to enter the username and password of your MLB The Show account. If you haven't created the MLB The Show account yet, click on this option to create. After you log in with your MLB The Show account, you're gonna see the dashboard, and on the right hand side we have the section for linked accounts, and here we have the option to link our PS5 account. So in order to link, either you can click on sign in option or just enter the code if you have one. I'll just simply click on sign in. Now here you need to enter the credentials of your PS5 account. So first enter the email address of your PS5 account, then enter the password and click on sign in. Next you're gonna see window like this. Here we need to choose the account. So this is a PlayStation account. Click on this option, choose this account. This is the username of a PlayStation account. Once you're sure about this, select this option, confirm selection now. And yep, you can see we have successfully linked a PS5 account here in MLB The Show. In order to unlink the account, just simply click on unlink, click on OK, and that way you'll able to unlink your account. And yeah guys, that's all there is to it. This is the exact process you need to follow in order to link or unlink MLB The Show to PS5. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.